Hello. Today, I wan welcome una to another episode of Law in Pidgin. My name na Hope Azinuchi Oziri. Today we go talk about defamation. Una know wetin be defamation na? You know, especially now wey social media dey. Plenty social media dey. We get Facebook, we get Instagram, we get TikTok, we get Twitter, we get this one, we get that one. Now wey social media dey, e dey very easy to defame somebody, especially people wey get name, people wey be celebrities, na people wey be say na dem people dey want to talk about them. Now wetin be defamation? Defamation na when you talk wetin no be true about me. You dey talk am sake of say you wan hurt me, you wan injure me, or you wan do like, you know, when you dey talk something about somebody wey no be true. Okay, make I use example because I no wan use big grammar talk am. For example now, as I dey do this Law in Pidgin now, wey be say people don sabi me, plenty people don sabi me, you go come think am say, okay, wetin I go do this lawyer now to spoil her name? Wetin I go do to spoil her face, spoil her name, spoil her page? Maybe you come go talk say Barrister Hope Azinuchi Oziri, that woman wey dey do Law in Pidgin for Facebook and YouTube, say she collect money for you to do case for you, to do matter for you. She no come do the matter. When you know say true say me and you no do anything like that, I no collect any money from you. Me and you even discuss say you wan do case, you go dey tell people say na wetin I do. Na defamation be that. And defamation na crime and na civil wrong. Wetin I mean for this one be say, if you defame person, police fit arrest you, and as police dey arrest you too, the person go fit sue you under civil law, carry you go court, say court, see wetin this person talk about me, I want damages. The person go carry you go court, go claim damages. But the way defamation dey work for criminal law, e dey different from the way dey work for civil law. Na one road like this wey part, na one road wey come go, one go like this, one go like this. Now, one thing for defamation be say you must publish am. If on my own now, I just dey lis ten am, I dey write am, nobody see am, I talk say say this person do like this person no do like this, no be defamation. I must publish am. Now this publication wey we dey talk, to publish am, to spread am wey we dey talk, the way e dey work for criminal law no be say e dey work for civil law. Section 373 of criminal code, 374, 375, na dem talk about defamation. And for you to defame person there, if you write wetin you know say no be true about that person, you write am, the person see am, you just tell am, na the person you tell. Like as I dey like this and you come tell me say Hope, say I be ekperima, when you know say I no be ekperima. You understand? You go, na me you tell am. I know why they emphasize on the me for this side na, because no be say e dey for civil. Na me you tell am, you come still tell am other people, you don publish am. How you go take publish am? You fit use phone publish am, you fit use radio, you fit use paper, you fit use mouth. You fit use mouth publish am. Na so e dey for criminal law. And if dem arrest you, court jail you, na 1 year imprisonment. Na 1 year. You go sit down for there wey dem dey give person free food, free house, free water, everything free. Go there, go sit down. Now for civil law, where e concern civil wrong now, defamation na still defamation. But if you defame me, I fit sue you, carry you go court, go claim damages. Now if I carry you go court go claim damages, civil law don bring out defenses. How you go take defend yourself if person say if person talk say you defame am, and one of how you go take defend yourself be say that thing wey the person talk na true. For example now, if you be thief, heaven and earth know say you be thief. Even though heaven and earth no know say you be thief, you be thief. I get proof say you be thief. If I go fit prove am say true true as I call you thief say you be thief true true, true e dey do that kind thing, na law dey call am justification, na defence wey I get. Another defence wey I fit get if I call you that kind name be say nobody hear am. Na so e dey for civil law. So now if I meet you now tell you say you be ekperima, when you know say like you know say you no dey collect wetin no be your own, but I tell you say na wetin you dey do, for civil law no be defamation. You get it? No be defamation. For civil law, before defamation go happen, another ear must hear am, another ear, another eye. E depend on how I take publish am, how I take spread am. Another person must hear that thing wey I talk. So if I talk say you dey collect things from people online wey no be your own, I come tell am Mr. A don hear am, so na defamation. If nobody don hear am, no be defamation. Now ways wey you go fit take commit defamation na either through wetin we dey call libel or through wetin we dey call slander. The difference na the same thing o, but the difference be say slander own, you talk am with mouth. Let's say make e be for example now, we go meeting, as we go meeting where people dey, where people that will come say taa you, see you comot there, you wey be side chick to so man, where people dey, that one na slander. When I know say true true no be wetin you be, no be wetin you dey do. Then libel na the one we dey do for social media. The one we dey do for social media, you go carry your Facebook, you go type say so celebrity do this thing when you know say the person no do am, na libel. So libel na the one wey dem dey write, slander na the one wey dem dey talk with mouth. Na this way you go take commit defamation. So we don know, una don know now say defamation na crime and na civil wrong. No do am. No dey talk wetin you know say person no do or wetin you know say the person no be. No dey do am. E dey wrong, na crime, e dey wrong too. Thank you. You wey dey watch our video, when you watch to dey share am, no just dey watch am dey keep am to yourself. E no good like that. Thank you.